This is absolutely great question, because what I can say, when I started new, even I didn't know what I was doing. You couldn't find the right strategy, and you can't sell product, and you're gonna get stressed, and then so many things around you. If you trust people, you can follow them, and they will show you everything. And also, there is so many YouTube channel which is like a Autods, like kind of I can call thousand, and just watch them. They teach you everything. You don't have to, just invest your time and believe yourself, and end of the day you will get 100% result if you believe what you're doing.
So I mean, if you believe in it and you focus on it, finally you will succeed after you really learn it and do everything right.
I can say only one more things about this one. You have to follow the right person, which I believe I follow Autodesk like since they open, I believe.